Hello, it's Jennifer Harding Marlin, an attorney that works at the law firm J.H. Marlin Law, a law firm in the Caribbean that specializes in citizenship by investment. So today's video is going to talk about the topic of protecting your personalized information and maintaining confidentiality throughout the citizenship by investment process, something that I think is a very important topic to be covered. So regardless of the citizenship program that you do, if you're doing Malta or if you're doing one of the Caribbean citizenship by investment programs, for example, there'll be a lot of personalized information that you'll need to provide. For example, you'll need to provide your passport, your national ID like a driver's license, birth certificate, sometimes a social security number, bank statements, bank reference letter, where you've lived, where you've gone to school, lots and lots of personalized information. So some people joke that it's your entire life in documents, but don't worry, we can definitely help you with the documentation gathering process of the citizenship by investment process and help you throughout the entire process. So we joke that we have two records here at J.H. Marlin Law. One is the fastest time that it's taken a client to gather the documents and send them to us, which has been less than 3 days. And another record is how big the file is. So we've done large families of over 10 family members, but the biggest file we've ever had has been a couple, and that was in due part to them providing bank statements, which were 30 to 40 centimeters in height. So sometimes we have suitcases of documents that we bring to the citizenship by investment unit, given how large the file is and how much documents are involved. So here are 5 strategies that you can put in, or a couple strategies that you can put into place to ensure that your documentation and your personalized information is protected. So one of the things that I think you can do is you can deal with an attorney or a law firm. And the reason for doing this is because attorneys are subject to solicitor-client privilege. While it doesn't always apply, there definitely can be a case to be made that your information is protected and needs to be maintained confidentiality. As well, attorneys and law firms have obligations to maintain confidentiality. So this is a way to protect your information. Another important thing I think is to not provide more documentations than is necessary. So if we're doing citizenship by investment, there's no need to provide additional documents than that is required of you unless you are advised otherwise, or you can consult with the attorney or the person that's helping you whether or not it's a document that really needs to be provided. Another thing that you can do is you can use secure emails or making sure you use secure communications throughout the process. So some people like to use Proton Mail, some people like to use Signal or other sort of encrypted means of communication. So that could be something that you might want to consider. Another thing is, like, once you've completed the process, the file storage of your confidential information. So, if you have online communications, that's offline and that's properly secure so that you don't have a problem years down the line with your information being leaked or misused. And then I think another thing that you can do is requesting that all your information be returned to you. So basically all documents that the attorney has on you, unless you want the attorney to maintain it, or if you're doing additional services, but requesting that all the documentation that they have in your possession are returned to you so that you are in possession of the physical documents. So that's it. This is just a really important topic that I think that more and more people should take into consideration. I think another thing is sort of dealing with a smaller firm or a firm that has a good reputation and doesn't have a high employee turnover. I think a lot of people, as we've seen with Panama Papers, Pandora Papers, a lot of the times there's a data breach which happens because of a disgruntled employee or someone misusing the information for financial and or other sort of gain. So if you want more information about citizenship by investment, you can send me an email at jennifer@jhmarlin.com. We maintain confidentiality and we believe in privacy and making sure that everything is done properly. So yeah, all the best. Take care for now. Bye.